Good morning, child. Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher, Udvan Modern School. This video is for class 8. In previous videos, we discuss lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1 for the networking concept and lesson 2 for window movie maker. In these videos we discuss about summary of window movie makers and question answer of window movie makers. As you know, window movie maker is a video editing software that lets you create movies from photos and videos by using a special effect, transition and them. A storyboard is used to arrange and manage videos clip in a window movie makers project. This is also called library of window movie makers. Now transition are applied to visual effect to the movies, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, center to corner, corner to center. These are the visual effect. They are connectively to the consecutive scenes of a movies. Scenes of a movies. Now title, caption, credits are used to based on information to the movies. You can reduce the duration of clip, which help of the trim tools. Window movie maker support varieties of audios, videos formats such as MP3, VMA and ASF. This is the extension of file and folders, as we identify these families and so on. Now how to look at window movie maker software? We look at these pictures. In these pictures we first and lastly remembering point as like views, how to look at our window movie makers front page. In top, quick access toolbar that is used in recently and quickly, as like save buttons, undo and redo buttons, minimize, maximize and close buttons. These are in the title bar. Now menu bar also called control panel of software, as like home button, animation, visual effect, project and views. These are on menu bars. Now ribbon buttons shows the recently used and quick used for paste, add videos and photos, snapshot, webcams, title, caption, credits. And now preview monitor. Preview monitors used to preview our videos. A story board where data is stored as like library, and preview full screen when we want to look a full screen videos, then we choose preview the full screen. How to control forward, backward and push. These options are used in movie control panel. And now change thumbnail size. When we want to publish videos on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, then we used the attractive thumbnails that attracts our viewers to look, see in the movies, see in the videos. Now coming to the point, question answer. First, we now in our book fill in the blanks. Window Movie Makers is video editing software for Windows-based computers. Question number second, default extension of Window Movie Makers project file is .wlmp. Now question number third, title, caption and credits are used to add text-based information to the movies. Now waveforms represents the audios that is included in any projects. Now a storyboard is used to arrange and manage the videos in your project. Now question number 6, you can use fading option to gradually increase the volume of audio in the beginning. Now we discuss true false. First number, Window Movie Makers can be downloaded for free. True. When we use a purchase a window software, then we able to download free. Question number 2, movie creates on Window Movie Makers cannot be shared online. False, because we share on Facebook, Twitter online. Now question number 3, Window Movie Makers allow you to add videos, clips to your project, but does not support image file or photos. False, because it supports the videos, clip and project image. You cannot multiple visual effect on single media files. False, because we use the multiple visual effects. Now question number 5, Window Movie Makers auto saved the project so that the data remains intact in case of power failures. Yes, it is a feature of Window Movie Makers. Now question number 6, Window Movie Makers allows the user to directly download music from online store. True. Now application based question. Bharti, question number 1st, Bharti wants to create a 3 minutes long movies. In Windows Movie Makers, she has imported a clip in a Windows Movie Makers which is about 4 minutes long. Should Bharti to reduce the duration of the movies? We use trim tools for reduce the duration. Now question number 2nd, Amit is making a videos from the pictures he took during his last vacations with friends. Amit want to write some description on each image while playing the videos. How can he do that? Then the caption. But now Rashmi has just finished the complete the movie in the Window Movie Makers. Now she want to directly upload the movies to her YouTube accounts. suggest the option to share the movies, publishing videos, and home to shares. Now we discuss multiple choice questions. First, filling the blanks are added at the end of movie clips. Credits. Now, asterisk, black and white, case, semantic, and mirror are the type of visual effect. Now, fill in the blanks is used to preview a project. Preview monitors the title properties like font size, text, color can be changed from the font tabs. We can reduce the duration of the videos clip with the help of trim tools. Now, come to the point question answer. What is the use of window movie makers? First, window movie makers used to create movies from our photos, videos, whether are already on our computer or still in camera. Question number second, difference between title and caption. Title used to beginning of the selected clip where caption can be added text individual clip to the provide relevant information. Now question number third, write down the step to insert any media in your project. Step to insert media in our project. First click on add videos and photos on music buttons on home tab in add groups. Choose file we want to use in media player, window movie maker software, and then file location and file name. Then click on open button, then that insert in media file in our project. Now question number 4, explain the importance of trim tools. Trim tools is used to reduce the duration of video clips. Now question number 5, what is the transition effect? How is it useful in making a movies? Transitions are applied to add visual effect to the movies. They add consecutive scenes of the movies. Apply transition effect. Click on animation tab in transition groups. Choose categories like diagonal, so on. Choose video clip that you want to insert in transition effect. Click on apply to all button. If we apply on all videos, then click on apply, and not then apply, click on apply. Now question number 6, how can we export a movie? First step to save and in export movies. Click on home tab and select save button present in the share groups. Write name as we want. Click on the save buttons. Movie maker's processing bar will be appear on a screen while we display progress is export process. After completion, our file is export. Now Differentiate between fade in and fade out effects. Fade in option is used to gradually increase the volume of audios in the beginning, and fade out is used to gradually decrease it in the end. These are the question answer for class 8 lesson number 2. Now next videos we discuss lesson number 3 Excel. Thank you.